Hello soulmates, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to be learning how to draft a scissors neckline pattern. Yeah, how to draft it. If you are just in this channel for the first time, welcome and welcome back. I am Dr. Cecilia and I'm the host for this channel. So to make the scissors neckline, I'm going to be drafting my pattern first, and as you can see in the video, it is on fold. Yes, it is not just one piece, it is on fold, meaning I can open it and you will see the other side as well. We say a full front, not a half front. So I'm just going to roll my straight line and then basically draft my basic bodies, that's with the darts and then with the bustier. So if you have not watched my video on how I do that, make sure to go watch the video. So at first, instead of me taking in my darts first and then taking in the under the bust measurements for our bustier from the dart leg, I just went ahead to take the under the bust measurements from the for our bustier and then marked it. You get, so that means this particular pattern has a mistake, but continue watching it to learn how I was able to do it. And yeah, that's just it. Make sure you watch this video to the end. If you are new here, once again, my name is Dr. Cecilia and you're welcome to the channel. Here we do everything basic pattern. We are growing and becoming a fashion designer, one step at a time. Feel free to join the family by subscribing to the channel and also give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. So this is me after drafting the front pattern. After drafting my front pattern, then I decide to go in and out by half inches on my chest line and connect that part to my bust line, as well as you can see me doing in the video. So now that I'm done with the front part, I just go ahead and label it. And I went ahead to turn my pattern paper and try to, mark those lines so that I will have a straight line by the time I open my pattern paper. If you understand, just watch till the end so you can understand the video better. So I'll just go ahead to, rule that straight line on top, and I'm just going to pause the camera as well and then draft the pattern at the back. So I'm done drafting the pattern of the other side, and as you can see from what I explained earlier, you see that the part where I labeled R side, that leg there is different from the other play side. Alright, so what I did there was I first took my dart, which is ½ inch from on both sides from my waistline, and then I took my under bust measurement, which is 0.75 on both sides, to meet from my that leg. All right, not from the straight line point. So that was what I just did from that part that I'm showing you right now. I took 0.75 from that leg, not from the middle point, you understand? So that is just what happened, and I rolled it straight down. So I also went ahead to roll the middle line, as you can see, so I can know the middle points of my basic bodies. All right, so now I'm going to be taking from that my shoulder part, I'm going to be taking 3 inches. Yes, from that shoulder part to my armhole, 3 inches, and I'm just going to mark that. I'm going to mark from that part, as you can see in the video, to the point of my shoulder. And I decided not to use a straight ruler because I noticed that it's better for me to do it with a curved ruler than to do it with a straight ruler. And I'm just going to connect the 3 inches line to my midpoint. As you can see, from that my chest line to my middle line, my middle point is 3 inches as well. So I'm just going to connect that together. So after connecting that together, all we have to do now is to just cut out the pattern. And as you can see here, I'm just trying to blend the chest line to the shoulder part, to the armhole rather, with my pencil, so that it does not just look straight and gives me issues when I'm sewing. Right, so and then I just went ahead to take my measurements from that middle part. I took my chest measurement, of course, while taking in that allowance and putting it back. Took my bust measurements, then also took my under bust measurements and my waist measurements. Even if at the end of the day I just ruled the line and I make do with my chest measurement and my waist measurements, because the others were kind of giving me a funny shape. So if you have watched till this part, man, you're the real G. Yeah, the real G. This 2025 we are going at on learning our skills and brushing of our skills. Yeah, so guys, thank you so much for watching once again. Make sure to like this video if you haven't liked. Share your thoughts, tell me, ask your questions in the comment section, and I'll be very much happy to answer you. And also you can give a comment on the tutorial. I'm very much going to learn from you guys as well. And if you haven't joined the family, please join the family by subscribing to the channel and share to your loved ones that you know this video will be helpful to. Thank you so much for watching once again. What am I saying? And let me know in the comment section if you are going to be trying this. Yeah, if you are going to be trying this tutorial, if you are going to be putting your hand to work on this type of neckline, because I can't wait to show you the amazing piece that I made with this pattern. Stay tuned for that video, and if you want to watch that video, subscribe to the channel, yes, and turn on your notification bell so you can get notified anytime a new video is being uploaded to the channel. This is how the pattern looks like after cutting, and thank you so much for watching once again. Bye.